Hello there. If you've ever wondered if it's possible to move your Kahoots from one account to another, the answer is yes. There are two ways to achieve this. One way is to make your Kahoots public and then duplicate them using the other account. To do this, access your library. Then, locate the Kahoot you wish to move. Ensure your Kahoot is set to public so it can be found on the Discover page. Adjust the visibility of your Kahoot by clicking here. Now, log out from this account and log into the one where you wish to move the Kahoot. Find the game in the Discover section by searching either by the username of the creator or by the title of the Kahoot. Click on the Kahoot. Then click on the three vertical dots and select Duplicate. The duplicate of this Kahoot will now appear in your library. As you can see, the account that I'm currently logged into is the creator of this duplicate. The second method is to directly share the Kahoots with the other account. To do this, access your library. Locate the Kahoot you wish to move. Click on the three vertical dots and select Share. In this case, it doesn't matter whether the Kahoot is public or private. In the search box, enter the email attached to the account you wish to share the Kahoot with and click Send. The Kahoot has now been shared with the other account. To confirm, log out from this account and log into the one the Kahoot has been shared with. Access your library. Then the Shared with You section. As you can see, the game we shared appears here. If you want to have it in your main library and not the Shared with You section, simply duplicate it. The duplicate will be saved in your library. Click the three vertical dots, select Duplicate, and then Confirm. Let's go to the library to see if it's there. Both duplicates are here. We've demonstrated two ways to move your Kahoots from one account to another. Regardless of the method you choose, the duplicated games can be fully edited and managed by the account that duplicated them. Thank you for watching. Please remember to leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting.